Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Naina Prakash Kohli and our today's topic is loops in Java. So what is loop? Java loop is used to iterate the part of program multiple time or iterate the part of program several time. There are three type of loop in Java. First is for loop, second is while loop, third is do while loop. So now we will discuss about the for loop. For loop is used to iterate the part of program repeatedly and number of iteration is fixed. There are three type of for loop. First is simple for loop, second is for each loop and third is label for loop. First is simple for loop. In this simple for loop there are four conditions. First is initialization, second is check the condition, third is increment decrement the value and fourth is statement. So first initialization. It is a initial condition which is executed once when the loop is start, and in this condition we will initialize the variable. And second is check the condition. It is the second condition execute multiple time to test the given boolean expression. If the condition is false, it will terminate loop automatically. And fourth is increment decrement. In this condition we will increment or decrement the value of variable. And fourth is statement. In this condition we will print the statement each and every time until the boolean expression is false. Then what is nested loop? So nested loop is a for loop within another for loop, is known as nested for loop. Inner for loop completely executed, then after the outer for loop executed. And second type is while loop. While loop is used to iterate the part of program repeatedly based on the boolean expression. If the number of iteration is not fixed, then we will use the while loop. In while loop we will pass the true value. If we will pass the true value in while loop, then loop will be infinity loop, means it will executed infinity times. Third type is do while loop. Do while loop is used to iterate the part of program and executed the part of program at least one, and depending further execution depending upon the boolean expression. In this do while loop is number of iteration is not fixed. So last we will discuss about the difference between loops. So first is for loop. For loop is a control flow statement. It is used to execute the part of program repeatedly. And second, while loop. While loop is control flow statement. It is used to execute the part of program repeatedly based on boolean condition. And third, do while loop is a control flow statement. It is executed the part of program at least one and further execution depending upon the boolean expression. And second difference is in for loop number of iteration is fixed, while loop number of iteration is not fixed. And third, do while loop the number of iteration is not fixed, but you will executed the part of program at least one. Thank you.